Welcome to a world where adventure meets sophistication, where vibrant colors blend seamlessly with captivating textures. Welcome to Kai by Urban Coast Tile. I'm Kelly, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Kai, a collection that's not just about tiles, but about creating experiences. Imagine stepping into your space and feeling like you've entered a coastal paradise or a chic urban retreat. With Kai, there are limitless opportunities. Let's dive into the crisp purity of cotton, a fresh, clean canvas reflective of sun-bleached sands, providing a pristine white backdrop for any environment. For those seeking warmth and tranquility, Oyster beckons with its soothing beige hue, evoking the gentle embrace of coastal breezes. Opal introduces a playful touch of whimsy with its soft, delicate blue, bringing to mind the ocean's shimmering surface on a sunlit day. Meanwhile, Peacock commands attention with its deep, majestic navy, echoing the mystery and allure of the midnight sea. And for those drawn to vintage coastal charm, Pewter offers a weathered elegance with its muted gray tones, reminiscent of driftwood and beachside cottages. And lastly, Onyx stands as a statement of boldness and drama, with its deep black hues radiating power and charm, just like the depths of a moonlit ocean. So dare to dream, dare to explore, with Kai by Urban Coast Tile, where every tile tells a story.